Okay, so here now we are going to connect it in parallel. So the only one solar cell, okay, it is connected to the multimeter. Voltage is 1.46. Okay, now we are starting with the parallel connection. Again, first column is number of cells in parallel and the second one is the voltage. So first reading we already have taken. Now we connect the two cells in parallel. So for parallel connection we will connect black to black, red to red, right? And we will measure voltage across it. Okay, so see, positive connected together, negative, and we will keep it always here. Okay, it is always here. See the voltage, it remains same, almost same voltage. Intensity, solar intensity is applied. So we are getting 1.3 volt, right? Previous reading was, we can just check. Previous reading what we have got? So previous reading was 1.15 and this reading is 1.16 only, 1.13. So almost same readings we are getting, because when we are connected in parallel we are not improving the voltage profile, it will remain same, but the current will get improvised. But as the rating of the solar cells is very small, it is in milliampere, 130 milliampere, which is very small current. So presently I am not able to connect any load to it, but when we will go for a bigger panel, then we are going to connect various types of loads. Okay, so here 2 are in parallel and voltage remains same. Now we will take 3 in parallel. See, we are connecting 3 in parallel. Okay, so 3 are connected in parallel. The voltage is same, which is 1.2 volt. Now we will connect 4 in parallel, 5 in parallel and 6 in parallel, and accordingly take the readings. Okay. Now fourth one is connected in parallel. So every time voltage will remain same. This is what we are interested to see. Okay, it is 1.06. So around that much voltage we are getting now. So sun is absent. Artificial sun is absent. Therefore voltage is less. So we'll make the artificial sun on. Okay, with artificial sun on, around 1.2 volt we are getting every time. So with more number of panels in cells in series, let us check. Now 5 in parallel with artificial sun, again we are getting the voltage around 1.13. So it is the same voltage that we are expecting. Okay. Due to the intensity, we are not getting exactly 2 volt. It is a standard specification. So whenever we go for a bigger panel, that time also we are not getting exactly the same voltage as given by the specification, because there are some losses taking place. Okay, now we are at last connecting all the 6 in parallel. Oh, now we can get all 6 in parallel, and we have to observe that voltage is not greater than 1.2 volt, right? Because this is what we have observed previously as well. So let us check the voltage level. Now I have to make artificial sun on, then only we can have the measure. So my sun is on now. So we are again getting 1.15. So same voltage. Okay. So for this experiment, we are not going to check the current profile, but as the rule we are knowing with, whenever we are connecting in parallel, we are improvising the current profile, but voltage will remain same. Okay. So I hope all of you have completed both the observations table. So this is all for this experiment. Thank you.